the holy grail for smartwatch companies, after getting us all addicted and getting us all comfortable with the use of smartwatches, is to manufacture models that can function independently on their own without the need to use a phone. Imagine a world where you don't have to stare at your smartphone screen, but you can still get work done. And that's been made by Samsung for Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which is nothing short of revolutionary. So I use this watch for close to a week, and here's more about the watch besides that function. So first up, all you need to do is you need to insert the eSIM to be able to receive notifications, make calls when you're away from your phone. So dump your phone in your bag, or just leave your phone at home and just focus on that run instead, which you've been thinking of doing for quite some time now. So I think this is a terrific feature to have. Let's get down to the other top features. Design and display. As you can see, the watch is a stunner. It's a solid, sturdy watch. It's made to look sturdy because it is sturdy. You've got a circular display, and then this display has a raised bezel. Now, the raised bezel will ensure that the smartwatch survives any falls, accidental falls. And of course, the other function that this raised bezel has, that it'll help you physically cycle through on-screen menus. So you don't need to use this back button here. There are two buttons on the side. You've got a power off and power on button, and of course you've got a button to navigate the round interface. So you can do that using this button, or you can use this raised bezel. You get this watch in two sizes. 41mm is the smaller option, and 45mm model for those who prefer to live life king size. And then the display is super bright, super crisp. The brightness doesn't really change when you're outdoors. In fact, right now where I'm shooting has a lot of light, and this doesn't impact neither the font size or the display of the watch. It can withstand rough handling, scratches, because it's got the protection of Corning Gorilla Glass TX, and the strap is leather like any regular watch. You also get an IP68 rating for water and dust resistant. Overall, it looks durable, premium, and of course sturdy. Well, performance-wise, the Watch 3 comes with multiple features. You've got the usual all-day heart rate tracking, onboard GPS, and of course sleep tracking. Above this, you also get fancy options like 40 kinds of workouts, 7 of which the watch detects automatically. And as far as data collection about your workouts, about the calories burnt, about the number of steps taken, the heart rate monitor, and all of that data is concerned, this does a great job. But remember, you'll have to download the Samsung Health app. The other app to download is the Galaxy Wearables app that will help you choose which apps should send notifications to your Galaxy Watch 3. That will also allow you to reorder the layout of the app icons. Now, most of my readings that I took using this watch were pretty accurate. I tried the steps tracking and of course the sleep monitoring. There's also a new SpO2 sensor which helps measure the blood oxygen levels, which is great, which is a great innovation considering the times that we're living in. And powering the smartwatch is the Exynos 9110 SoC processor. So overall, the user interface, I found the user interface pretty neat. It's not very cluttered, it's very easy to navigate, and which makes it easy for first-time users as well. The sheer number of watch faces is another thing that will leave you impressed. And now let's come back once again to the calling feature. Now, the calls that I took using this smartwatch, they were clear, although it did seem a bit awkward to speak to a watch. The other interesting feature is that you can start a workout manually, and you can have a virtual coach actually motivate you. Let's talk about the battery now, considering we're done with the features. Well, on the inside, you get a great battery life of 340 mAh. On a single charge, the Galaxy Watch 3 can last up to 2 days easily with moderate to heavy usage, provided you indulge in all-day calls and you turn the notifications always on. And then you can charge using the magnetic cradle that comes in the box, and it takes around 2 hours to fully charge the device. So best-in-class features, of course, the revolutionary calling feature is what really makes this stand apart from the rest of the smartwatches in the market. So if you really like these features and the battery life and the activity trackers, go for it if your budget allows. Definitely a good choice. This is Sumita Karir signing off.